Welcome to Tech Solutions Hub, your trusted source for assistive technology. Empowering accessibility, innovating for a better tomorrow. Explore our tutorials, product reviews, and expert insights. Learn how to harness assistive tech for independence. Connect with us. Subscribe for latest updates. Hit the notification bell. And join our community on social media. Breaking barriers, one solution at a time.
The instrumental for this video is provided by InnerSanctum Entertainment Ltd.
Place marker. Place marker is a feature that comes with your JAWS as a screen reader. Place marker, it's something that quickly helps you to move your cursor faster to a particular place on an HTML page. That is, a place whereby you can mark as a spot for you to quickly move your cursor there. This is something that's really good when you have some web pages that is not well labeled and does not has enough headings or link that can easily take you to a particular content in which you know you do visit frequently. Practicalizing this will give you a better knowledge or a comprehensive detail about what place marker it's all about. I'll try to do this using the Gmail platform, and hopefully we can also use the Facebook just as a website we can use to learn this. For this time, I would like to open my Gmail and see how I can use the place marker in order to go through by reading my content, and let's see how it could be helpful to me. So, to start this, I'd like to open my Gmail by pressing Windows R.
Windows R, run dialog, type the name of a program.
Because it's my personal PC, I'll just go www.gmail.com.
www.gailgcom.
And I can press enter.
Enter Internet Explorer.
Waiting for the page to load.
Personalized settings for this site. Page has 9 headings and 87 links. Gmail inbox, link search, link images, link maps, link play, link YouTube, Gmail, link drive, link calendar, link more, play.
So I think I have my Gmail. Basically what I will first do is, as we've discussed, I want to go and open the content of a mail and see how if I can read it.
Scholarship positions, Omo Niger top. Scholarship positions, checkbox not.
Let me just scroll down.
Scholarship positions, link Canada, UK government scholarships for international students, Australia, Monash Univer, new scholarship, enter, new tab.
I'll press enter on that link and wait for the link to open.
Gmail Canada, UK government scholarships for international students, link start link.
Now one way of seeing your mail by reading the content of this mail, let's use our H as an heading.
Drafts 10 heading link, spam 5 heading link.
I'm pressing letter H.
Contacts heading link. Labels heading. Canada, UK government scholarships for international students, Australia.
I interrupt just by pressing Ctrl K. That's a related heading which is related to the subject of the mail I opened. So let's scroll down.
Link inbox.
Now, how do I easily get to the content of the mail? There are two ways to it. Is that I press the letter T to take me to the table region, but one thing is I realize there is a word called show original. It's more easier and it's a link that is closer to the content of most mails on Gmail platform. So let me keep scrolling down.
Table end nesting left blank. Table with 1 blank. Table with 2 columns and 4 rows nesting level 3. Link graphic add star blank. Heading scholarship position. Helpers scholarship position. Headings blank. Headings helpers 28 July 2 Rasak Adekoya. Link reply alt plus R. Vertical link reply. Vertical link forward alt plus vertical link print. Vertical link delete. Vertical link show original.
I'm using the down arrow key and I can hear the word link show original. So let's see if I'll see the content of the mail beneath it.
Graphical scholarship application from scholarship positions. Blank. Table with 6 columns and 2 rows. Blank. Blank. New scholarships and financial aid updates from scholarshippositions.com.
So you can see the content of the mail is more closer to this show original. So what I'm going to do is to place a marker on that show original, and I can use the navigational quick key K to quickly come then subsequent time when I'm coming to my Gmail. So this is a features of place marker. Let me scroll up with the up arrow key.
Blank. Blank. Table with blank. Graphical scholarship link show original.
So I can hear the word link show original. My cursor is there. So if you want to create a place marker, your cursor must be there first. The same thing applies to custom label edit we discussed previously. So what I'll do is I can press Ctrl Shift and letter K. K for kilo. Ctrl Shift K.
Jaws dialog. Place marker list dialog. Place marker list view. 0 items.
So I can hear 0 item. That means there's nothing on the list view here. Let's press tab.
Tab. Add button. Alt plus A.
So I'm going to press enter on this add button.
Enter. Place marker list dialog. Add place marker dialog. Name. Edit. Show original. Alt plus N.
So I can hear the word show original. As for me, I can just put easy to mail content. Is highlighted so I can rename it.
Dot A. What dot blank.
Let me just type it.
EASY easy TO2 AARL MESO TENT.
So I can press enter directly from there.
Content enter. Show original link.
So for example, let me take you to the top of the page.
Gmail Canada UK Government Scholarships for International Students Australia Monash University Scholarships more.
Then let me press K now for kilo.
Show original link.
So you can see it takes me quickly to that show original, and if I scroll down,
graphical scholarship application from scholarship positions.
I'll be able to have as quick access to read the content. But there are two ways to this. Sometimes when you have a place marker, you can make it applicable to a particular web page alone or to the whole domain. What do I mean? If I open another inbox now, this place marker that I create would not be applicable to that particular spot. Why? Because the place marker is only meant for this web page and not the whole domain. So I'm going to create another web place marker now, and it's going to be applicable to all the domain. So let me go to the top of the file.
Gmail Canada UK Government.
I know there's an edit field here. Let me press letter E.
Search edit.
Okay, search edit. So let me create a place marker on this search edit. Ctrl Shift K, the same thing. K for kilo.
Jaws dialog. Place marker list dialog. Place marker list view. Not selected. Easy to mail content document. 1 of 1.
So I can press tab to add.
Tab. Add button.
And I can press enter.
Enter. Place marker list dialog. Add place marker dialog. Name. Edit. Left margin. 1 space. Alt plus N.
So let me type the word search.
SEARCH.
Now let me now use tab now. I won't press enter this time.
Search tab. Define for all pages on current domain. Checkbox not checked. Alt plus D.
I hear the word defined for all current pages on domain. Checkbox not checked. Let me use insert up arrow for you to hear that again.
Define for all pages on current domain. Checkbox not checked.
What this means is if it is not checked, just only this web page, that is when you can see the place marker. But if it is checked, whether you are within this inbox content or you read another inbox, it should be applicable to all web pages. Remember, I said a website consists of different web pages that are linked together. So different web pages, if you open an inbox now, like the way I open an inbox from one of those inbox, it's a web page on its own. If I go back to the home, which is the list of inbox, that's another web page. So there are different web pages within one particular website, which is a whole domain on its own. So I will check this now.
Space checked.
So let's press tab again.
Tab. Anchor to text checkbox not checked.
Since I will not be using much of this anchor in this model, so let's tab.
Tab. OK button. Alt plus O.
So I can press enter now.
Enter. Table column 1. Row 1. Search.
So what I'll do next is I have created a place marker on this one. One is for this web page, while the other one is for the domain. So what I'll do now is, let me press K on this particular web page now.
K. Escape virtual PC cursor. Show original link. Wrapping the top table column 1, row 1. Search.
So you can see using K takes me from one place marker to another that I've created. Now another features about it is, if I should go back now to the first page I was coming from, let me press Alt left arrow for back.
Back. Blank. Search mail but escape. Blank. Search the blank.
Now let me use letter K now, and let's see how many place marker I'll have on the first page.
Show original link. Wrapping the top. Search edit. K. Escape. Show original link. Wrapping the top. Search escape. Virtual escape. Blank. Search mail button. Gmail Canada. UK government.
Sorry, I'm having issues with the internet. Let me just go back. Alt left arrow to go back.
Back. Title is Gmail Canada. UK government. Link search. Gmail inbox. Search.
So let me check the title now.
Title is Gmail inbox Internet Explorer. Heading
Good.
equals.
I am back to the list of inbox. So let me use my place marker now. K.
Search edit. Escape virtual PC cursor.
Let me press the K again.
Search edit.
So I only have one place marker on this. That means the other place marker, it's not more here, and it's not applicable to the whole domain. So that's one difference. And also, let's talk about how you can adjust the setting of the place marker by pressing Ctrl+Shift+K.
JAWS dialog. Place marker list dialog. Place marker list view. Not selected. Search domain. 1 of 2.
You can hear the first one, search domain. That is, the search is for the whole domain. Let's scroll down.
Easy to mail content document.
You can hear that easy to mail content. It's applicable to just one particular web page. That means document. So how do I delete that? How do I adjust it? Let's press the tab key to move around.
Tab. Add ... button. Alt+A.
Now I'm not adding. Let me continue with the tab key.
Tab. Move the button. Alt+M.
Can you hear the word move? Let me tab.
Tab. Change ... button. Alt+A.
For example, I want to rename it. I can press enter on this.
Tab. Remove button. Alt+R.
If I want to delete it, I can press R on the. I can press enter on this.
Tab. Remove all button. Alt+V.
So if I want to remove all the place marker, I can press this or press just Alt+V rather than tabbing.
Tab. Cancel button. Alt+C.
If I want to cancel.
Tab. Display place markers for all radio button checked. 3 of 3.
So you can see
Alt+L.
there's an option here that tells me display place marker for all. Alt+L. And if I
display place markers for domain radio button checked. 2 of 3. Alt+D.
if you use your upper arrow, you'll hear the display space marker for another one, which is another option. Use your upper arrow again.
Display place markers for URL radio button checked. 1 of 3.
So you can hear the first one. The display place marker for URL, that is for this particular website. You know, URL means this particular universal resource locator. So that's just what that means. If you scroll down now,
display place markers for domain radio button checked. 2 of 3. Alt+D.
you can see that that's Alt+D.
Display place markers for all radio button checked. 3 of 3. Alt+L.
So you can use the Alt+L, Alt+D as well, and that as one you have in front of the display place marker for URL. So that's how you can adjust the setting of place marker. I'll press escape.
Escape. Search edit.
Note, at this point in time, this is where we'll end the section on surfing the net with JAWS as your screen reader. There are more to it. Note, most of this could be subjected to change depending on the website I have used or JAWS settings, as JAWS produce another version of JAWS. I have used JAWS 13 all through this version of surfing the net with Windows 7 operating system.
Before you go, subscribe to Tech Solutions Hub for more useful contents like this.